Alright people, here's absolute proof that the world was flooded. We got Coral Reef in the middle of Tehuacan, which its elevation is well above sea level. I mean, well above. And just an amazing thing to see yourself, especially especially whenever you want to try to prove that somebody, the Bible's true. And this is your proof right here. All this is your proof. Mind you, this is just one area out of many in this country that proves, without a doubt. Of course, we got nature growing up, but they don't destroy none of them.
Los animalitos son unas bacterias que se fueron formando la piedra. Son muy chiquititos, son animalitos. Esto tiene 400 años antes de Cristo.
Right? Isn't this coral from the flood?
Sí, esto era antes, pasaba agua.
Yeah, from the flood. Yeah, sí. All this coral.
Sí, escurría el agua. Arriba pasaba.
Right, we was underwater. Yeah.
Pero son microbios, son animalitos que se formó todo esto. Oh. Pero tiene 400 años.
Mm-hmm. Like 400 years. Or
antes de la era cristiana.
Sí.
Sí, son estos.
Right, people in my country's never seen anything like this. Yes, that's what I was documenting, all the coral.
Sí.
Yeah. Yeah, all this. Well, this is sedimentary, but you can still see some. Yeah.
Sí, pero hay un libro que habla de esto.
But there's so much beauty down here that people don't even realize what Mexico actually has to offer. I mean, just in a lot of senses, there's more coral. Man, I'd love to get a piece of this off, but you can't. I was knocked that little piece off by accident. Yeah, you can see all the coral. Of course, a lot of animals make homes in it. Look at that, there's a path. Might as well say a cave. But yeah, in Mexico, they do not destroy any of this. They preserve it. So yeah, you'll see this is like this is a main road, a street. However, they won't destroy this coral because they know that it's historical in many ways. So this is all pretty neat because Mexico was completely underwater, and at this elevation, yeah, this is well above sea level, and I'll do the statistics, so I'll go look it up later. Whenever I make the video, I will put this in. But alright, let's see. Up here there's more coral, not so much here, there's more coral right here. I mean, it's so many treasures down here in Mexico that people just does not realize. They figure Mexico's a third world country. They don't realize how old it is and how much this place has to offer. As you can see, now, yeah, that's somebody's home actually. All these are some really nice homes. Actually bigger, a lot bigger than homes in my country. Here is some more, but it's not like what I showed you back here. But there is some up here. It's all coral, but back here was more prominent. Look, nature just grows up all around it. Alright, I'm going to walk up here, and then we'll go down the next side. And all this is coral. You can tell by the way it looks. Okay, but yeah, they don't destroy none of this. They won't do it. I've seen many cases where when they're building, they'll just leave it, build around it. To a lot of people, it just doesn't look like nothing, but it's proof positive of a worldwide flood. Yeah, it's petrified. You can't even break it. I was lucky to break it. One, I did that by it. Oh, there's a piece. I just broke. Somebody put a rock up in there. You can see all the coral. If I could break a piece, I'd have a piece for my collection of artifacts. Okay. I am about to end up back where I was at, but I'm on the other side.